Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Ey'nyangeni ezedlule noma emavikini adlule kuye kwaphuma i-judgment lapho uMalema elahlwe yicala khona. Sizokhumbula ukuthi icala khona limayelana nestatement asisho njengoba kwakune-rally ye-EFF, kwakhona abalimalayo be-EFF, wayesekhuluma-ke into ey'ningi. Noma-ke bathe lelo cala bayoli-aphila ngoba kwakuyi-political statement. Angikakezwa lutho-ke mayelana nalo cala. Ngithe uma ngithi ngingena ku-Twitter noma ku-X, ngazithela phe kwe-post noma phe kwe-statement esibhalwe i-EFF. NgoMsombuluko uJulius Malema uye enkantolo kuzophuma isinqumo mayelana necala elikhona lapha enkantolo. Sizofunda-ke istatement sakhona, kodwa ukukukhumbuza kukhona ngelinye ilanga ngesikhathi kwakune-rally ye-EFF, angazi yayi-celebrate iminyaka emingaki. uJulius Malema khona isibhamu asithatha lapho wasikhomba emoyeni wayeseyasidubula. Base bethatha bawufaka icala-ke enkantolo bemmangalela. Licala khona-ke lakhulunywa nje kakhulu ngoba yena mayesho uthi isibhamu lesi esiyithoyiza akusona isibhamu sangempela. Kodwa laba babethi uma kwisibhamu sangempela ubeka iy'mpilo zabantu engcupheni. Ngoba uyazi ngokwesayensi inhlamvu mayiphuma iya phezulu izothi la ifika igcina khona bese ibuya ngasame speed ephume ngaso. Le speed ephume ngaso kuya phezulu izobuya ngaso mayiza phansi. Kungenzeka kube khona abalimala. Ilelo cala-ke beloku lihanjwa likhulunywa lobe lihamba u-CIC uJulius Malema. Ngakho-ke into esizoyenza manje sizofunda leso statement sizwe ukuthi kuthiwani ngoba khona kufuneka kuphume isinqumo. Statement lesi siphume ngoLwesine la ngomhla ka-25 kuSeptember 2025. Isihloko sithi CIC Julius Malema to appear in East London Magistrates Court. Sifundeka kanje: uPresident kanye noCommander in Chief we-Economic Freedom Fighters okuyi-EFF uJulius Malema uzovela kwi-Magistrate Court yase-East London le Eastern Cape. Le nkantolo ikamantshi izobe ikhipha i-verdict yayo. Babhale kanje: the magistrate will be handing down the verdict in the politically and racially motivated charges on the alleged discharging of a firearm at the EFF 5th anniversary celebration in 2018. The handing down of the judgment will take place under the following details. NgoMsombuluko, ngeMonday ngomhla ka-29 kuSeptember 2025 ngo-9 ekuseni indawo kuse-East London Magistrate Court e-Eastern Cape. Isona-ke statement lesi esikhishwe i-EFF esazi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi sekuneminyaka uma ucabanga kusuka ngo-2018 I think uphelile u7 years iloku lihanjwa leli cala. Kukhulunywa nje ukuthi uJulius Malema wakhipha isibhamu wasiqhumisa emoyeni. Likhulunyiwe kakhulu. Ngiyakhumbula wayesiphethe isibhamu yena enkantolo lapha demonstrate ukuthi akusona isibhamu sangempela, isibhamu angathi siyithoyizi kunjengoba phela mawusibuka ngathi sangempela, mawusibuka futhi siyinsimbi. Ilezi bhamu lezo ngathi zangempela mawuzibuka. Sizozwa-ke ngoMsombuluko ukuthi kuzothini. Uma kungenzeka limlahle kuzobe kuyicala lesibili ukumlahla ngoba phela kukhona leli ngisho nje kulo nyaka, hayi ngikhuluma ngeminye iminyaka, ngikhuluma ngamanye ama-case, kodwa ngizobe ukuthi kube kuyicala lesibili ukuthi limlahle amacala elandelana. Uma eliwinile futhi ngoba lelo lokuqala bathi bazoli-aphila bebengakasazi silutho, kodwa bathi basazokhuluma ne-legal team yabo bese bayabona benzeni bafanele bali-aphile. Kodwa-ke leli sizozwa ngoMsombuluko ukuthi bazothini. Ngiyacela ukusubscribe kule channel, ulike ivideo, ucommente, ushare. Ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukubona kwakho. Ungasisupporta ngokusidonatela, ungasisupporta ngokuba yimember, ungasisupporta futhi ngokuthi uma kuvela ama-advert ungaweqi nawo ubuke konke nama-advert. Ngokwenza njalo uzobe uyacontributor kule channel. Lokho nje kukodwa ukuthi nje ubuka ama-advert. Ngiyazi-ke kuyenzeka uthi ubuka ama-advert kuvele ngene i-advert ende nami kuyangenza uma ngibuka amanye amavidiyo bese ngiyayiskipha, kodwa uma uyibukele nje for 30 seconds uyobe wenza omkhulu umsebenzi. So ungayeqa-ke emveni kwalapho, kodwa ukubukela kwakho ama-advert kwenza ukuthi nathi i-YouTube kube khona kuncane esipha khona sikwazi ukubhadala i-router for ukuthi sibe ne-internet, sithenge ne-airtime nama-toiletries ukuze sibe nento zokugeza. So asidlule phambili, kune-statement engisibonile la esiphuma kwa-SASSA sibhalwe kanje. Isihloko sithi SASSA social grants amount to increase in October. Siphume ngomhla ka-25 September 2025. Sizosifunda ke njengoba sibhaliwe. The South African Social Security Agency, eyaziwa nge-SASSA, wishes to inform all social grants beneficiaries that social grant amounts will increase in October payment cycle. This is in line with the announcement made by the Minister of Finance earlier this year when he tabled the budget speech for the 2025-26 financial year. The tabling of budget speech, Finance Minister Mr. Enoch Godongwana announced a considerable social grant increase from 1 April 2025 and slightly increase on 1 October 2025. The social grant amount will increase by 10 Rand in October as follows. Old age grants will increase from 2,310 Rand to 2,320 Rand. Old age grants older than 75 years will increase from 2,330 Rand to 2,340 Rand. War veterans grant will increase from 2,330 Rand to 2,340. Then disability grant will increase from 2,310 Rand to 2,320 Rand. Care dependency grant will increase from 2,310 Rand to 2,320 Rand. SASSA CEO Mr. Themba Matlou welcomes social grant increase, noting that the adjustment is crucial and serves as a safety net to social grant beneficiaries against economic hardships. And this is what he said, open quotes. This reaffirms government commitment to protect the most vulnerable in society, easing financial burden and cushioning them against economic hardship, close quotes. SASSA CEO Mr. Matlou reiterated that it is all systems to go for the October payment cycle, that all eligible social grants beneficiaries will receive their grants without any interruptions. The agency also wishes to inform social grants beneficiaries that social grants payment for October 2025 will be processed as follows. Old age grant will be paid on the 2nd of October 2025. Disability grant will be paid on the 3rd of October 2025. Then children's grant will be paid on the 6th of October 2025. Ya ngithe nje angikwazise nalezi ndaba wazi ukuthi ama-grant lawa azo-adjusta ngo-10 Rand njengoba ishilo uminister. Okunye kwesibili azophuma nini. Ilokho ebengicanga ukuthi kubalulekile, kodwa inhloso yevideo bekungukuthi ngikwazise ukuthi kuzophuma isinqumo mayelana nodaba noma necala ebelokhu lihanjwa lika-CIC uJulius Malema. So isinqumo sakhona sizophuma ngomsombuluko. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi okuningi sesokuxoxa ngomsombuluko, kodwa ngenzela nobe ngazi azi manje ukuthi kuzophuma isinqumo ngomsombuluko. So besilindeleke siza ukuthi ijaji izothini. Unezitha ku-CIC, kukhona izitha zakhe nje ezingajabula kabi uma ngathi icala limlahlile. Uyabona nje uma ngathi icala limlahlile ungawabona amavidiyo azokwenziwa, kodwa uma lingamlahlanga hayi angeke uzowabona. So mina nawe asidibane kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.